You know what nobody claps for? Reps at 85 pounds. I'm trying to bench 200 pounds for 5 reps. Right now, I'm at 125. That gap, that's where most people quit. No one celebrates the weeks where the weight doesn't move, but that's the part that builds you. I stopped chasing the goal weight and I started protecting the reps. I don't care about the 200 right now. I just care about 125. Clean. This is the boring part. Still losing,